Good morning, guys. Today for our nature challenge, we're gonna turn some leaves into a paintbrush. Is it possible? Are we gonna be able to do that? Let's see. So what you're gonna need, a stick, any kind of stick you have. It can be a barbecue stick, it can be like a Q-tip, it can be a pencil, maybe a pen, anything you have. Leaves. I got here my regular leaves, which you can use any kind of leaves you're able to get. One of those thingies that comes with bread that you use to keep the bread closed, or the cookies, whatever. But it can also be a thread or ribbon, anything you have to tie it up. Paper and paint, and let's try to do it. Let's see. So first of all, I'm gonna get my leaves and I'm gonna position them here around my stick like this, and I have also a big one here. I have two sizes. Oh, look at that. Then I'm gonna tie it up with my thingy. Don't break, please. I'm finishing. Be nice. Huh, did it. Now let's see how it works to color. I'm gonna put a little bit of my green here. I put a lot, not a little bit. Green. And I'm going to spread it. It works. Quite works. Nicely. Take a look. Abstract art. Now it's your turn to try it home and show us some pictures, okay? Lovely.